A few years ago, a discovery was made, one that reshaped how financial success is achieved. Contrary to popular belief, getting rich isn't about grinding 20 hours a day, sacrificing sleep, or waiting for a big break. It's about something much simpler, yet profoundly powerful: tiny habits. These small, consistent actions compound over time, leading to massive transformations in wealth and well-being. So today, 17 powerful yet simple habits will be shared that have helped countless individuals build financial security and prosperity. Let's get started. 1. Create more than you consume. The wealthiest individuals don't just consume, they create. Studies show that successful people spend less time passively consuming content and more time producing something of value. Whether it's launching a side hustle, writing, coding, or creating videos, those who build rather than binge tend to gain financial independence faster. The key is to start small. Allocate just 15 minutes a day to creating something. Over time, this builds into a powerful income-generating habit. 2. Distance yourself from negative influences. A person's financial future is often shaped by those they spend the most time with. Negative, discouraging people drain ambition and limit growth. Wealthy individuals consciously surround themselves with people who challenge them, support their goals, and inspire success. If it's difficult to find such people in person, books, podcasts, and online communities can serve as powerful mentors. 3. Build an "I can do this" file. Doubt and fear often hold people back from financial growth. Keeping a record of past achievements, milestones, and positive feedback creates a personal motivation vault. When fear creeps in, reviewing these wins serves as a reminder of past resilience and capability, pushing forward progress. 4. Show gratitude daily. Gratitude isn't just for personal happiness. It has a direct impact on wealth building. Studies show that grateful individuals are more optimistic, take better financial risks, and are more likely to invest in long-term success. A simple habit is to jot down 3 things to be grateful for every night. This shifts focus from scarcity to abundance, enhancing financial decision-making. 5. Automate savings and investments. Warren Buffett famously said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." The wealthy automate their savings and investments, ensuring financial growth happens consistently. Setting up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts prevents impulsive spending and guarantees future financial security. 6. Set specific financial goals. Vague goals lead to vague results. Instead of saying, "I want to save more money," define it. "I will save $30,000 for a down payment by December 2027. Specific goals make it easier to track progress and stay committed. 7. Regularly audit finances. Wealthy individuals constantly review their expenses and adjust their spending habits. Categorizing expenses into 3 buckets: essentials, fun, and future investment/savings creates financial clarity and helps make informed money decisions. 8. Learn something new about money every week. Financial education never stops. Whether it's reading a book, watching a finance-related video, or listening to a podcast, consistently learning about money builds confidence and smarter financial habits. 9. Stop caring about others' opinions. Fear of judgment keeps people stuck in mediocrity. Those who succeed financially focus on their goals rather than worrying about what others think. A simple mental trick is asking, "Will this person's opinion matter in 5 years? If not, move forward." 10. Track net worth. Regularly tracking net worth provides a clear picture of financial health. It's a habit wealthy individuals swear by, as it allows for better financial planning and goal setting. 11. Master the art of negotiation. From salaries to business deals, negotiation skills play a key role in building wealth. Practicing negotiation, whether asking for a discount, a raise, or better terms, ensures financial gains over time. 12. Keep a money wins journal. Similar to a "I can do this" file, documenting financial wins, no matter how small, builds confidence and momentum. Recording moments like negotiating a bill, increasing savings, or earning extra income reinforces good habits. 13. Invest in income-producing assets. The rich don't just save, they invest in assets that generate passive income. Whether it's stocks, Real estate, or side businesses, building multiple income streams accelerates financial freedom. 14. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As income grows, so does the temptation to spend more. Wealthy individuals resist unnecessary upgrades, choosing instead to reinvest excess income into assets that generate future wealth. 15. Exercise discipline with debt. Debt can be a tool or a trap. Smart individuals avoid high-interest consumer debt while leveraging good debt, such as mortgages or business loans, to build wealth. 16. Practice the 24-hour rule for purchases. Impulse spending is one of the biggest wealth killers. Implementing a 24-hour rule before making non-essential purchases prevents unnecessary expenses and encourages mindful spending. 17. Give generously. It might seem counterintuitive, but wealthy people often give more. Generosity fosters abundance, builds goodwill, and strengthens relationships, creating opportunities that lead to greater financial rewards. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's the result of small, consistent habits that compound over time. These 17 tiny habits may seem simple, but their impact is powerful. By making them a part of daily life, financial freedom moves from a distant dream to an achievable reality. If you found these habits valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on financial freedom and success.